Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on a Xiaomi 12T Pro. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here find Microsoft Edge. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app. Here you can customize it by signing in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna do it later, accept or not for data sharing preferences. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And finally, let's start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.